G'day guys, Matty from fabrications Australia. I've been running the SCF Rocksliders now for probably about 6 months, and I've been giving them absolute hell. So I thought I'd give you a look at how they're holding up. As you can see, they are just dead straight. They have been going so well. God, they've saved me so many times. My line choices of late have not been great, so thank God I've had them. Still loving the fat boy look. They look pretty damn cool, nice and chunky. As you can see, I've definitely been giving them a good run for their money. We've got massive chunks out. It's mainly just paint, just how hard I've hit. Everyone's probably like, oh, aren't you worried? No, that's what they're there for. They weren't there for looks, they were there to save the sills. Now, have they been saving the sills? From rock damage? Yes, 100%. My biggest fault was I didn't get skid plates. Now, you may think, oh, what do you need skid plates for? You need skid plates for this reason. Sticks. Sticks pop up through here and just jam themselves into the sills. I've got more friggin' sill damage from sticks than what I do from actual rock damage, which is absolutely unreal. Yes, I would have a huge amount of rock damage right now if I didn't have rock sliders, but you know, I put them on and I didn't even think to put skid plates in to save the sills from sticks. I can't highly recommend them enough. Both sides, they're still spot on. There's no issues with them whatsoever. As I said, the only thing I wish I changed was the fact that I got skid plates. Other than that, they have been unreal. And let me show you the abuse they take. Well, there you have it guys. I hope that shows you how they are holding up. They are doing their job, and that is all you can ask for out of the rock slider. And they're still looking great on top. Don't look great underneath, but I don't care about that. Anyway guys, I'll bring you more videos, more I keep doing. Have a good one.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like